This prompt just created 5 Instagram captions from one salon photo in less than 30 seconds using AI. Watch this. Now here's the prompt. I'm a hairstylist and I just finished this copper ombre. Write me 5 Instagram captions, 1 educational, 1 personal, 1 promotional, 1 conversational, and 1 that asks a question to promote engagement. Now go ahead and screenshot that. Now let's enter the prompt and the picture into Claude and hit enter. Here we go. 5 captions, 1 photo, a week's worth of content in less than 30 seconds. That's only the first prompt. I'm going to give you 4 more that you can use today. Hi, my name is Christian Faircloth. I'm a hairstylist with over 30 years in the industry, and I've trained beauty professionals across multiple countries in nearly all 50 states. And the thing I hear most often from stylists these days is, I know I should be using AI, I just don't know where to start. And I created this channel because I kept hearing and watching the same thing happen over and over again. Talented beauty professionals spending more time on the stuff that drains them than the work that they actually love. Now, these 5 prompts won't fix everything, but they'll give you back more time than you think. Let me show you. Here's prompt 2. This one saves relationships, client relationships. You know that review, not completely wrong, but not completely fair either. And you've been staring at it for 3 days, fuming and thinking about what to say. Well, type this into Claude or even ChatGPT. I'm a salon owner and a client left this review. Write a professional, conversational, and warm response that acknowledges their experience, doesn't get defensive, and invites them to return. Now go ahead and screenshot that. No more rewriting it in your head, making you even more furious while you're laying in bed. I'll use a sample review I made up from reading various Google reviews. Copy the prompt, paste it into Claude or ChatGPT, and hit enter. Done. If you want to revise it, no problem. Just say what you want revised and ask it to rewrite it. Prompt 3 is the one that brings people back to your chair. Most salons lose clients accidentally, not because the service was bad, because nobody ever really followed up with them. Now here's the prompt. As a customer service expert, write me a follow-up text message to send 48 hours after a client's appointment. Keep it warm, personal, and under 3 sentences. Yes, it's simple, but simple works. Now screenshot that. Save it in your notes. That way you'll always have it and you can send it manually. Schedule it. Either way, you just showed that the client mattered. That's the difference between a one-time visitor and a client for life. Now let's move on to prompt 4. This next one is for the owners and the educators in the room. Create a 60-minute training outline on include objectives, talking points, and 1 look and learn activity. You can obviously change the timing, change the topic, or change the activity to hands-on if you wanted to. Now go ahead and screenshot that. Now what used to take sometimes half a day, and I've built a ton of these outlines, it comes back in less than 60 seconds. It's not finished. It still needs your voice, but you're not starting from a blank page. And now the last one. This one actually happens to be one of my favorites, and it's the one that you should start with first. You are a social media wizard. Create a 2-week Instagram content calendar for a hairstylist specializing in include content ideas, including photo direction, caption direction, and hashtags. For sure, screenshot that. This is 2 weeks of direction. Blank page, gone. Sunday night dread, gone. Let's copy and paste this. Our specialty will be great transformation as our specialty. Now we'll hit enter and bam. Would you look at that? Now, you still have to post all of these, but you just went from nothing to a plan in under 90 seconds. Here's what I want you to understand about everything you just saw. None of these prompts require you to be a tech person. None of them require you to understand how AI works. All they require is that you decide your time is worth protecting, because the beauty professionals who win the next decade won't be the most talented ones in the room. But they will be the ones who stop spending Tuesday night writing captions, and they use that time to serve clients, build relationships, or just be home with their families. You just got your Tuesday back. The only question is, what will you do with that time? Now pick one of these 5 prompts, just one. Try it before you close this video, and then drop a comment. Tell me which prompt you use and what it gave you. I read every single one, and I will respond. There is a free guide in the description that covers 5 AI tools in plain language, no tech background required, and is absolutely free. Go download it. And if this is the channel you've been looking for, subscribe. No hype, no fear, no fluff. I'll see you in the next one.